Hi everyone, we're back at Montreal Airport. Thanks for tuning in. And we're going to take a quick look at Avis car rental. We'll see what kind of cars they have available here. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click on that subscribe. If you guys haven't already subscribed, want to see more of these videos, go ahead and click on the like button. And it looks like, I don't think these are actually for rent. These might be just for airport. Yeah, there's a bunch kind of parked over there too. Transport official. Alright, and we got a Ford Escape down here. And it's definitely a busy summer here for sure. And I think most of what I'm going to be able to show you is probably in the returns lanes. Alright, so we got a Ford Explorer down here. And looks like we got a newer Cherokee in the returns. Yeah, Cherokee Limited. Okay, so there's, yeah, you can see there's like a lot of cars in the returns here, so they're probably just turning these over. And actually we got a Cherokee Limited here. And yeah, I'm not sure if it has the back seat in it or not. Looks a little bit newer. Let's just kind of see what else we got here. We got a bunch of cars in the returns. Yeah, we got a Corolla here, a smaller SUV. Oh, looks like they got a couple of these Cherokees. Another one. Looks like somebody might be taking this one. Oh yeah, they got a bunch of these. Somebody's taking that one. We got a pickup truck, minivan, and yeah, we got another one over here. I wonder if they just got these in. Okay, this is definitely starting to look a little bit better. Okay, so there you have it, and yeah, lots of cars in the returns that'll eventually work their way over here. I think this Cherokee guy is coming over here. Okay, so I think we'll wrap things up. Just a quick update. Again, busy summer, so a lot of the cars are on the road. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one.